Hi guys, welcome to another video. So it is currently nighttime right now. It is around like 8 o'clock and I am planning on going out with my friend Bridget and some of her family. We're going to get some dinner and just hang out with each other for a while. I'm really close with her family, so it's not weird when I'm like saying I'm going with her family. So yeah, I'm just wearing this black shirt and these jeans. Casual, and then I just have on some black boots. Just wanted to come on here and do a little intro before I get this video started. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. Hi.
Hi. Oh, is it recording?
Yeah. Oh my god, if people are like...
You can though. How do you do it? See? It's a video. It's a video, literally.
Okay, so I talk.
Say hi.
Hi. What's
This is for Vanessa.
I'm dead.
You're on vlog.
I don't think I was meant to be vlogged, but you vlogged me.
We vlogged you.
We did it.
Tell them what we won.
We won Christmas trivia.
Do we get a prize?
I don't know.
I don't know, but we got a perfect score.
Look at
Yeah,
Oh.
exactly.
Deck the halls.
I'm still picturing it. We already got it. That one's only Al's missing. Yes. Only Al's missing. So minus plus no. But
Sliding?
Sliding. You go, girl. What was that? Like,
Trivia.
like that is foliage.
What'd you say?
Put it down. Put it down. I did. That's so good. That's so good. You kidding me? That's a joke.
No, you can do it. You can do it. So close. Good morning, everybody. I just woke up. I put this on because I'm freezing. And I have to go walk my dog crying at the door. But I wanted to just come on here quickly and say that I'm going to be Christmas wrapping today. Kind of just a really productive day. I have to clean my room. It's a mess. And yeah, so that's all that I'm really going to be doing. I went out last night. I'll probably throw in some clips of that and then throw in what I'm doing today. Yeah, that's kind of just what my day is looking like so far. My throat still sounds kind of bad. I don't know. It's usually worse like in the morning and then it starts to get a little better. But yeah, I'm definitely just going to try and drink some like hot tea and still be cautious of whatever's going on. But I actually feel better today, which is good. So I'm dealing with a couple breakouts on my forehead. I'm not sure if it's because I got spray tanned, that's kind of when it started, or if it's like stress, but it's almost like when you get a facial and then like all of your pimples kind of like surface at the top, I don't know, of your forehead. But I'm also kind of dealing with that and trying to like figure out why I'm breaking out. There could be many reasons, I guess, but yeah, still self-conscious about that, but I mean, whatever, I'm human. Plus it'll probably go away in a couple days if I just treat it right and eat good. So yeah. What? Where are you going? Come on. Come on. Why do you do that? He thinks he owns me. Like he's walking me. That's not how it works, buddy. Come on. What? This way. Oh my gosh. You're such a little spoiled boy. Do you just want to stand here? Come on. What? Excuse me. Okay, oh my god, my throat. Okay, so my room is a mess. It's literally upside down. I'm just gonna start cleaning it. I have gifts everywhere. I have like random things like this on my bed. And clothes everywhere from coming back from school. So I'm just gonna quickly clean and I'm gonna speed it up for you guys now. Making progress, but nowhere near done. Okay, so I put all my gifts in a pile and trash, made my bed. That's kind of all I got to do around right now, but that's okay. I can do like a more in-depth cleaning room video another time, but now I'm just going to bring all of these downstairs and start wrapping some of my gifts. So I just finished up some of the wrapping. This is all that I got done so far. Not that much, but a good amount. And I still have a couple things to wrap over there, but ended up turning out all right. This is Megan's and this is Savannah's. But yeah. Okay, so I just finished up wrapping some gifts. And cleaning my room, just like a productive little day. But I did just get asked to go into work because they're like slammed at Francesca's, so I kind of had to end the video here. That was just about as much what I was doing today though, so yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed seeing a little bit of this, and we are so close to Christmas now. It's crazy how fast it's going by. I can't believe it. But yeah, so hope you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. Emphasis on subscribe because I'm almost to 1,000 subscribers, which I hope I can get by the end of Vlogmas. So yeah, I will see you guys tomorrow in another video. Bye!